Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make peanut milk. This is a simple, easy tutorial on how to make your own peanut milk. It is healthy, fresh and budget friendly. Also, it is dairy free and vegan. So, let's go get some nuts. Now, we're back in the kitchen and I always like to make sure that everything I need is ready. Peanuts or ground nuts. Sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Water, lots of water. Blender. Seeve. You can also use a cloth. Bowl. First, we're going to pour the peanut into a bowl of water overnight. To start, we will be placing 1 cup of unsalted peanuts into a large bowl. Then add water until they are covered with about an inch of water. Let them soak for 6 hours or overnight. This is how it looks like after being soaked overnight. Pour the soaked peanut into a blender. Add your sweetener. I'm adding sugar for this particular recipe. Add water. And blend. Now that we've blended it, I'll be pouring the milk into a strainer. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use that as well. Strain the milk through the strainer until all the juice has come out. I like to make sure that I am getting all the milk out of my nuts, so I'm going to blend them a second time. Add water again. I'm blending the chaff the second time so as to get out all the milk. So, pour the milk back into the sieve and strain again. Now we are sure that we have removed all the milk inside the nuts. One last strain to make sure there are no residue in our milk. We want it very smooth. You can add some seasoning to your milk like chocolates, vanilla, and other things that you like. This milk is creamy and delicious, especially when cold. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.